November 11th card opening. I thought I'd get this done early this morning as I'm gonna have a busy day and don't know when I'll get time again that I don't think I'm gonna get interrupted, although I still very well could. Anyway, 2002 Topps. Got something thick in here. Set that there. Gonna try to thin through these. Got the 16 on the back. Checklist, hats, Esteban Yang, Days Segura, Gary Sheffield on the Dodgers. Troy Nixon. Greg Maddux on the Braves, very nice. Dimitri Young, Brett Boone, Tapia. What do we have here? We have a Yankee with Clemens. So, Reen Masters, Roger Clemens. It's an interesting card. Let's go back to my torn thing here. Reen Masters are 1 in 25. There's Hobby Masters and there's Reen Masters. 1 in 25. Interesting. Maddux, Clemens, Sheffield. Here's one. Still looking for the elusive Seager. Doc Peterson, back-to-back World Series champion. There's an argument the Braves sure did load up a lot of people mid-season that helped them win the playoffs. They loaded up from teams who gave up. So I do understand that argument. Well, Bryce Harper is a reprint. So nothing interesting from 2016 Series 1. Next, we have Heritage Minor League. Thought I'd start opening my box of Minor League. We'll see what happens. Do not see anything interesting, but I also do not recognize any of those names. Maybe Gentry. Anyway, Heritage. Next we'll do update. Garcia, Bobby Dalbec, Yerman Mercedes, Stripling, Birdie, Brad Hand, Joe Musgrove, first Padres no-hitter. Vaughn, Tom, Stevenson, Kowski, so many years. Them 70 years packs, I swear. And finally, you have an optic. Dalton Jeffries, Anthony Santander, Juan Soto Orange, and Max Scherzer. Okay, Juan Soto is numbered to 125. Sharp looking card there. And that is all for today. Y'all take care.